Whoa, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy E, back at one another video. Now, today's video, y'all already see what the fuck going on. Today we doing something different. We about to start reviewing shit now. Yeah, we on some different shit. You feel me? But without further ado, before we even get further into this video, man, I'm gonna need you to subscribe, like, comment, all that good shit. Cause you know we on the road to 1,000. And yeah. Oh, another thing. Even though this is a review, it's a zooted review. So if you watch this video, I'm gonna need you to go grab your game, your White Owl, Swisher, Leaf, Backwood, Rollo, Raw Paper, Bob Marley, whatever the fuck you smoking, even a blinker, my nigga, whatever the fuck you smoking on, my nigga, go grab that shit. But we about to see if this shit take us to Zooted Planet, cause you know we only smoke on shit that take us to Zooted Planet. You feel me? But yeah, without further ado, you feel me? I'm gonna catch y'all on this clip on bot. All right, y'all. So boom. I'm probably gonna get age restricted. I really don't fucking want that shit. Hey, fuck. But fuck it. But look, it's the boxing shit. You know, this one, whole melts. You feel me? Whole melts. This bitch a 2 gram middle. We about to see how. I told you this bitch open like a bookcase. Feel me? Ooh, that bad motherfucker go. Woo. Pink like a flamingo. See what the bitch hitting on. I'm so fucking mad. I just lost my other one last night. This why I always go start buying too. Y'all be so high. Like I put shit on my lap and like I just get out the car. I don't look down. I just straight get out. That's what it had to happen, bro. That shit had. That's why, son, I gotta stop smoking. That had to happen. But fuck all that talking. We about to see what's happening with it. Okay. We gonna see this shit. Ooh. God damn. Y'all heard all that electrical shit? That bitch was fired up. That bitch was wired up. Shit. First hit, that was a slight shit. Shit. God damn. Shit. No cap. This bitch tastes better than my last. My last one was a grape cream cake, and that bit, like with these, I guess they added like a little flavor taste or something. Cause like if you hitting it for a little minute, you gonna taste something. Like it's flavorful though. But this one tastes way better than the cream cake. This exotic animal. Shouldn't the cream cake taste better than this shit? This bitch. Damn near want to drink all the fucking juice out this bitch, stupid ass. Damn, that bitch hit. Nigga, I'm about to be zooted all fucking ready. No bullshit. I'm not over exaggerating. I ain't gonna lie to you, my nigga. If I'm smoking on some bullshit, I don't give a fuck. I admit I'm smoking on some bullshit. Nigga, I don't care. But this right here, this ain't that bullshit. It's that boy. Yeah. Yeah, this that boy. Big as I. Fuck. What about cough all my fucking insides out? Feel I be, man, I gotta stop this shit. I ain't lying. Sometimes I be want to cut my shit off. Like, bro, I be tripping there. Like, one of these bitches touch my ear. I be, boy, what the fuck was that? It's my hair, son. Jersey is annoying. Nigga, I'm high. Fuck. Nigga, I'm loaded. I ain't lying. I ain't gonna sit here and cap to you. Oh, shit. You got the guys, people, this nigga outside with no fucking jacket. Nigga, it's cold as a bitch. Ain't fucking spring supposed to be coming up. The fuck going on, nigga? It's cold as a bitch. Fuck. Yeah, I'm so zooted right now. Like, I ain't lying to you, nigga. Like, I'm high. No bullshit. I knew it. I ain't even know. Man. I ain't even know I hit it that much. That was a big ass. That was a buku smoke that came. I knew I'm about to call. Y'all hear that bitch cooking up in there, man. Y'all probably not be able to hear it because the way I'ma chop it up and shit. But man, this bitch cooking. You could tell this bitch. Look, try to get close. Hold on. Y'all gotta listen. You gotta listen. Look, look, look. You heard that shit? I wasn't hell of that. Fuck that. Boy, I was about to die. Boy, that was buku. Oh shit. Oh fuck no. So if shit. Y'all heard that shit? I hope y'all did. It took a little minute to come. But I try to do it again. Look. Fuck that. I want y'all to hear this shit. Fuck. Fuck it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Fuck it. I know what the fuck I'm talking about. Fuck, bro. This shit don't make no sense. Nigga, you going on timeout. Fuck that. Just going back in the box. I'm a grown ass man. Your little ass handling, putting me on my ass like that in front of my people. I don't think so. Fuck wrong with that boy. Put his ass up. Lock his ass up. I ain't bullshitting. Fuck it. Yeah, I did it. Running from that boy. Hey, the exotic animal, the truth. The fucking truth. No bullshit. I could admit, I am not gonna lie to you, boy. That's the truth, nigga. I'm high. Shit. I'm gonna go ahead and just wrap the video up, man. Excited and put me on my ass. Yeah, shit. If you're new to the channel, man, make sure you subscribe, like, and all that good shit, you feel me? I will see y'all next video. I'm keeping them bitches coming. And, yeah. See y'all next video. I'm out.
Love Mary J. She keep me comfortable, she keep me safe. Mixing with drinking and eat on my pain. I hit the road all along, switching lanes. As I'm watching my goals, they unfold in my face. I told my brothers we ain't in the rain.